Hello, Miriam at the Bureau with your national weather forecast for tomorrow, Saturday the 11th of October, with a quick look ahead at Sunday's forecast as well. We'll start by taking a look at tomorrow's weather map. Now we can see a couple of low pressure troughs lying across those northern parts of the country, continuing to generate showers and storms through much of the north and pushing towards the northeast as well. We are seeing a continuation of some cold front weather in the southeast. The main front has moved offshore, but we will see some breezy and showery weather continuing in the southeast. Over in the west, a ridge of high pressure is starting to push in, which means generally settled conditions for southern parts of Western Australia. Let's take a state-by-state look at tomorrow's forecast now, starting with Queensland. Morning fogs are possible about the east coast of Queensland tomorrow. Then we are looking at a generally sunny day. A little bit of cloud will develop through the afternoon and we will see the chance of showers or thunderstorms developing in some parts, namely across those northwestern parts of the state, central areas and pushing down to the southeast. For the most part, rainfall totals will be low, but we may see some locally damaging winds or large hail across parts of the far southeast. Otherwise, a few showers will continue about the North Tropical Coast and the east coast of Cape York. For Brisbane tomorrow, it will be a hot day, a top of 32 degrees with partly cloudy skies. In New South Wales tomorrow, a warm day, still fairly breezy about those southern and central ranges, particularly in the morning. Generally sunny conditions, although we will see the chance of some thunderstorms in the northeast, the slight chance of some damaging wind gusts or large hail across parts of the northern rivers. We may also see some cloud and patchy showers developing across the far west of the state as well, but any showers in that area are unlikely to bring too much rainfall to the gauges at all. For Sydney tomorrow, it'll be a sunny day with a top of 29 degrees. Down in Canberra, windy but sunny with a top of 22 degrees. For Victoria, we are expecting partly cloudy skies on and south of the ranges with a few isolated showers continuing. Windy as well across those southern parts of the state, generally easing back later in the day. Temperatures will be on the cooler side of things for this time of year, except for through Gippsland where it'll stay a little milder. For Melbourne tomorrow, we are looking at a shower or two on the forecast and a top of 21 degrees. In Tasmania tomorrow, a windy, showery day will continue. In fact, we may see our severe weather warning for damaging winds continuing on Saturday morning in some areas. Again, we have a severe weather update video covering this situation in the southeast. We're generally looking at further moderate falls across western parts of the state, as well as the chance of some small hail. In the east, more isolated showers are expected. We are also expecting a lowering snow level tomorrow, down to 700 to 900 metres across northern parts of the state, down to around 600 metres in the south. For Hobart tomorrow, we're looking at a shower or two on the forecast and a top of 15 degrees. In South Australia tomorrow, partly cloudy skies across the southeast and areas further inland. Now in the southeast, we could see some breezy and showery conditions continuing through the morning, starting to ease back later in the day. Further north, we're looking at showers and thunderstorms developing through the course of the day in warm air and moisture streaming down from the north. Generally, rainfall totals will be low, but where any thunderstorms move directly overhead, we could see some moderate falls. For Adelaide, we're heading for a shower or two tomorrow and a top of 20 degrees. In Western Australia tomorrow, the chance of morning fog across the south, and then we're looking at partly cloudy skies and a few light passing showers about the southern coastal fringe, with not really too much in the gauges there. Otherwise, dry and sunny conditions with warmth starting to build across western and southern parts of the state. A little bit more cloud across the interior and northern parts of Western Australia, with a few showers and thunderstorms developing in the afternoon. For Perth, we're looking at a sunny day and a top of 22 degrees. In the Northern Territory tomorrow, a hot and humid day. Tropical moisture starting to be drawn down across the territory. That means we're likely to see cloud building through the day, showers and thunderstorms really picking up across most of the territory. Again, rainfall totals are generally going to be on the lower side of things, but where we see those storms moving directly overhead, we could see some moderate falls. For Darwin tomorrow, we're looking at a shower or two and a top of 34 degrees. Let's quickly take a look at Sunday's forecast now. We've got a couple of low pressure troughs lingering across those northern and central parts of Australia, continuing to generate showers and thunderstorms through much of the Kimberley in Western Australia, the Northern Territory, Central Australia, pushing through southern Queensland and northern and inland New South Wales. Once again, we could see some moderate falls where those storms move overhead. Further to the southeast, we'll continue to see some showers with another couple of troughs moving through there. It will be fairly cool through the southeast, with that cooler air streaming up through inland New South Wales and South Australia too. In the west, we're likely to see more settled conditions and warmer weather, and that warmth will continue across the north of the country and through the northeast as well. Now, you can find your detailed weekend forecast via the Bureau's website, the Bomb Weather app, and via our social media. Have a great weekend, and we'll catch you next time.